Dad, are we really going on a trip today? We're gonna fly.
Yes, we're flying today. First, we need to finish packing.
Can I take my robot? I want to bring something from home. Of course. But don't pack too many toys. We need space for your clothes. What should I put in my backpack for the airplane?
Put your headphones, water bottle, and a small book inside.
Dad, what if the airplane is too high? I'm a little scared. Don't worry, Ryan. I'll sit near you if you get scared. Wow, we have so many bags. Are we taking all of these?
We need these bags for our trip. Your suitcase has most of your clothes.
How long will it take to get to the airport?
About 30 minutes. Look for the big airport signs.
I see it. Does that mean we're almost at the airport?
Yes. There are many cars here, so we'll follow the signs carefully.
Dad, look! That airplane is enormous. Is ours gonna be that big?
Probably about that size. Soon, you'll see where all the passengers go.
Wow, there are so many people. Where do we go first?
First, we check in and give our bags to the airline.
Do they weigh everyone's bags? What happens if a bag is too heavy? What's that little paper on my suitcase? Does it help find my bag?
Exactly. That tag helps the airport send your suitcase to the right place.
Why are those people putting their bags in those boxes?
That's airport security. They check bags and passengers before the flight.
Do I have to put my backpack on that machine too?
Yes. Put your backpack here, and we'll collect everything after the check.
Where is our gate? There are so many numbers on that screen.
Our gate is B12. We need to walk down that hallway.
Why is everyone sitting here? Are they waiting for the same airplane? Look at that airplane. I think that's the one we're taking. That plane is huge. Dad, what if I don't like flying?
You might feel nervous at first, but I'll be right beside you.
Wow, this is different. Dad, where is our seat?
Our seats are right here. Put your backpack under the seat.
I can see the airport from here. Are we going up soon?
Yes. Keep your seatbelt on. The airplane will take off soon.
Dad, why is the airplane shaking? Is something wrong?
It's okay, Ryan. It's just some turbulence. The airplane is safe.
See, Ryan? You stayed calm, and the shaking has stopped.
Wow. The clouds look beautiful from up here. I don't feel scared anymore. I told you flying would be fun. Look at how high we are.
I was scared before, but now I love flying.